Like over here we are having CH3 on both sides, and it's a plus point that we are having that R group which are similar, so we commonly call this dimethyl ether. Ether is the class name, and it's compulsory for the common names that the class name should be there, so dimethyl ether. But when you go for its IUPAC name, what you do is that as the both R groups are same, so O is going with one CH3, so it would be methoxymethane. But the situation is different when you are having two different R groups over here. So O will go with the smaller group CH3, and CH2CH3 will be named as ethane. So the common name is methoxyethane, and the IUPAC name is ethyl methyl ether. In that particular situation, you have to, in common names, you have to follow alphabetical orders. E comes before then M, so ethyl comes before then methyl. But in case of suggesting IUPAC namings, O should always be go with those R group which are having small number of carbon atoms. Third option is there when both groups are same, so this is diethyl ether, or you can say ethoxyethane. I hope this now let me tell you this last naming. This is again the R group is different, so it is named as methyl N-propyl ether. M comes before then P. So another option is methoxypropane.